Hi guys, thanks for tuning into the channel today. Here's an old mechanics trick which I was given the pleasure of watching, I don't know, maybe 30 odd years ago, and I thought it might come in handy and I might just show someone else. So here we've got an extremely dirty coolant container, so you can see all the rubbish in it. It's really full of crud. Now, like I said, going back in the, I don't know, I think it would have been mid-80s to around 1990. This old mechanic, which I used to go to regularly, showed me one day how to clean one of these pretty well. Yeah, so we've got our container here, or coolant bottle. So I've sealed it up with a bit of gaffer tape on that outlet there, one over this here. Got it there like that. Now here's what he showed me to use, what your product we call just wax and grease remover. So you can pick them up at any of the auto stores, so I'll just pour a bit into here. Should be enough for a demo. We know what it's like prior to it, so whip the lid on it. A little bit hard one-handed. Okay, now we'll give her a bit of a swoosh around and see how it goes in real time. May have to soak it a little bit too, I'm not sure, but at this stage we'll just see how it goes. And remember, I'm only just using the grease and wax remover. I'm not using anything else in there, none of the other crap what you might see on the other channels where they're going to be using maybe rice, sand, rocks, anything else like that. This is just grease and wax remover and a good solid swirl around. And we're doing this in real time too, so there's no cuts in it. So we'll just see how it's coming up now. Look at that. Now we're not here to try to get rid of the yellowing, we're just here trying to clean the bottle itself. I think you're pushing your luck if you try to bleach the yellow out of it. But if we can get the other accumulated gunk out of that coolant container, that'll be something we won't have to worry about later. So there it is in real time, look at that. Remember how bad it was first? I'll swing back to it. Down here in the thing. It's done a really good job, you know. Like I said, you can't do nothing about the yellowing of the plastic, but you know, it's a 20-year-old bottle. But apart from that, I think, considering all you got to do is put grease and wax remover in there, don't have to worry about any of the other crap what you watch on the other ones. I think that old bloke 30 odd years ago knew what he was talking about. Yeah, so overall it's pretty clean here now, look at this. And you have to remember with these coolant containers, if you get there and put gravel and rocks and everything in and it gets caught up in the float, here at rattling, then you've got a bit of a problem there trying to clean that out too. So this one with just the grease and wax remover, you can get out there, see the rubbish I've got here now. So overall, hopefully you've found this a handy hint, and if you liked what you've watched, you know, give it a thumbs up, and if not, I think I've saved you quite a bit of time. So once again, thanks for tuning in, taking a look, catch you later.